Hey everyone, it's Skipper Mark, and Skipper Matt. So today we are going to replace the transmission cooler in his 84 K10 pickup truck. This is actually a manual truck, manual shift, but from the factory it's a manual, but when he bought it, someone had replaced the manual transmission with an automatic transmission, and they left the original radiator in there, which is designed for a manual, so it doesn't have a transmission cooler. They did put a transmission cooler in it, but it doesn't work very well, so he's going to replace that with this new one that he picked up at Summit Racing a couple days ago. It's a B&M, and I personally actually don't really know the difference, but Matt said that it's going to work a lot better. So this should be a pretty quick install. He just has to take the old one out and reconnect this one with the existing hoses. So thanks for watching and have a great day.
That's the old cooler. It's one of those tube and fin styles, so we gotta, I think they call those plate styles. Then I gotta take the fans off to get to the thingies that hold the cooler on.
The cooler comes with really good directions, but Matt's gonna do it his own way. So the reason they call this a tube and fin is it's exactly what it sounds like. It's got tubes that have fins over them to help pull the heat away as the air flows through it. So this is the plate design, and it has an in and an out for the transmission fluid, and then the fluid flows through all of these little, I'm not sure what they're called, but the plate itself, and so it gives really good cooling capabilities.
you want me to push him?
Yeah, if you can push this long one.
Push it all the way?
Yep. Just until it stops. A little more.
That's it. There you go.
All right, so Matt had to replace one of the hoses because it's a little too short because this one is mounting vertically, so it's kind of long and skinny, whereas the other one was the hose went up much higher. So yeah, so he's gonna put a new hose in. And he's weird. I guess that's a handy way to keep it from dragging all over the ground, though.
Nope, can't do that.
All right, the cooler is installed. New hose on the bottom, just because the other one was too short since it has a different position, and existing hose up on the top. And now he's just got to put the grill back in, and that's it. It'll be done. All right, we got to take a break. It's time for the actors to have their lunch. All right, so the cooler is pretty much done. Matt just needs to tighten the grill, put a little transmission fluid in, and that's it. He's going to take it for a test drive, and hopefully everything will be good. No leaks or anything. All right. I just want to thank everyone so much for watching this video and all our others that we've made. Really, really appreciate it, and it just means the world to us. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions, please drop a comment. We'd be glad to try to help out and answer anything we can. Thanks again, and have an awesome, awesome day.